MongoDB is a popular NoSQL database that uses a document-based data model. Here's a brief tutorial on how to use MongoDB. Install MongoDB. The first step is to install MongoDB on your machine. You can download the installer from the official MongoDB website. Start the MongoDB server. Once you have installed MongoDB, you can start the server by running the command mongod in your terminal or command prompt. Connect to the MongoDB server. Open a new terminal or command prompt window and run the command mongo to start the MongoDB shell. This will allow you to interact with the MongoDB server. Create a database. In the MongoDB shell, you can create a new database by running the command use. For example, if you want to create a database called MyDB, you can run the command use MyDB. Create a collection. A collection in MongoDB is similar to a table in a relational database. To create a new collection, you can use the DB create collection method. For example, to create a collection called users, you can run the command DB create collection users. Insert data into the collection. To insert data into the users collection, you can use the DB collection insert method. For example, to insert a new user into the collection, you can run the command DB users insert name John, age 30, email john@example.com. Query the collection. To retrieve data from the users collection, you can use the DB collection find method. For example, to find all users in the collection, you can run the command DB users find. Update documents. To update documents in the users collection, you can use the DB collection update method. For example, to update the email of a user with name John, you can run the command DB users update name John $set email john.smith@example.com. Delete documents. To delete documents from the users collection, you can use the DB collection remove method. For example, to delete all users with age greater than 40, you can run the command DB users remove age $GT 40. This is just a brief introduction to using MongoDB. There are many other features and concepts to explore, such as indexes, aggregation pipelines, and data modeling. You can find more detailed tutorials and documentation on the MongoDB website. Regenerate response.